Hello scholars and welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to be looking at a very important topic in chemistry, acid, base and salt. Now for this class we are going to be looking at acid alone, and next class we're going to be looking at base and salt respectively. Now for the first part we're going to be looking at definition of acid. After definition we're going to be looking at types of acid. We're also going to be looking at examples of acid. We're going to be looking at some uses of acid, and then we're going to be considering physical and chemical properties of acid. Now, the first one, definition of acid. Now, acid, by definition, is a substance that produces hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. Now, types of acid. So basically, we have two types of acid. We have the organic acid and we have the inorganic acid. Now, the organic acid is naturally occurring and it is also seen as a weaker type of acid. Now, some examples of organic acid, we have ascorbic acid, and ascorbic acid is found in oranges. We have citric acid. Now, citric acid can be found in fruits such as lemon and lime. We also have fatty acid. Fatty acid can be found in vegetables, and we have lactic acid. Now, lactic acid can be found in milk. Now, we're going to be moving to inorganic acid. Now, inorganic acid is a type of acid that is formed or found through inorganic compounds, and it is seen as a stronger type of acid. Now, I'm going to be looking at some examples of inorganic acids. Inorganic acid, some examples. Now, the first example of inorganic acid I'll be looking at is hydrochloric acid. Now, hydrochloric acid is a combination of hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrochloric acid. Yes, now hydrogen, when combined with chlorine, is positive. Now, this even gives a better explanation of the definition of an acid. Now, hydrogen in this compound is the only ion that comes out positive, while chlorine has a negative charge or negative sign. Now, the second type of inorganic acid, or rather the second example of inorganic acid that we're looking at is, we have tetraoxosulfate 6. Another type or another example of inorganic acid, we have trioxocarbonate 4. Now, these are all examples of inorganic acids. Okay, now the next one we'll be looking at here are uses of acid. Okay, so now acid has so many uses, but we're just going to be looking at some uses of acid. Okay, now the first use we'll be looking at is acid is used to remove rust. Yes, it is used to remove rust. Acid is also used to dissolve metal. Dissolve metal. Now, acid is also very important when it comes to the production of detergents, production of dye, etc.